So in this video we're going to algebraically find the axis of symmetry of a parabola, and you'll see here we have a definition. If we have the standard form of a quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c, a can't equal 0. If it does, it's not a quadratic, it's a line, so a cannot equal 0. Then the equation for the axis of symmetry is this. This is generated using the quadratic formula. So I'm going to write this over here just to kind of discuss. And basically what happens is this piece right here is canceled out. The axis of symmetry is the average of the two intercepts. And so if we basically average out, so add two quadratic formulas and divide it by 2, what's left over is this negative b over 2a. And this gives us the axis of symmetry. And what that is that's the line that passes through the vertex, and that's our axis of symmetry. So not only does it give us the equation of the axis of symmetry, but it also gives us the x value in the vertex. And it's a very easy formula, so it provides us with a lot of information. It also provides us with a really good quick check if we're supposed to get something in the vertex form. It's in standard form. You can go ahead and get the negative b over 2a quickly and confirm your answer with vertex form. So now we're going to go ahead and look at this example here. We're going to let this function, it's equal to negative 2x plus 3 plus 2x squared. It's not in standard form, so the first thing I like to do is I like to get it in standard form. And we're going to write the equation of the axis of symmetry, and then we're going to find the coordinates of the vertex. Okay, so the axis of symmetry, the equation to find it is negative b over 2a. So the first thing I'm going to do is I just like to rewrite this guy so we are in standard form. I like patterns, and when the equation is in a certain form, visually I like to see it in the form that I'm used to. So negative b, so we have negative b all over 2 times a. So I have a negative times a negative 2 all over 2 times 2. So that gives me 2 over 4, so 1/2. So the axis of symmetry is 1/2. So I know right away that that line that goes through the vertex is 1/2. I don't know what this parabola looks like, but I know if this is 1, I'm going to have some line going through the parabola and splitting it down the middle right there. Okay? So now, what do we do to find the vertex? Well, the vertex is going to be 1/2 comma y. Well, what's the y value? In order to find the y value, well, what do? I plug in an x value. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to plug in 1/2 for x. And I'm going to go ahead and simplify. 1/2 squared is 1/4. 2 times 1/2 is 1 plus 3. 2 times 1/4 is 1/2 minus 1 plus 3, and that's going to equal a negative 1/2 plus 3. So that's 5/2, or 2.5. So I take this piece and this piece, and I have my vertex as 1/2 5. So by plugging in the x value that we get for the axis of symmetry, that allows us to find our vertex. If I plot the point 1/2, 5/2, so here's 1, 2, 3, and our vertex is going to be right here. And this guy that I'm drawing right now is our axis of symmetry. So our vertex is 1/2, 5/2, and our axis of symmetry is 1/2.